thinking of taking AMC exam as a foreign medical graduate but confused about FMGE and internship, then you must know what it really takes to crack it. ज़्यादातर लोगों का क्वेश्चन होता है, is it mandatory to pass FMGE to sit AMC for FMGEs? Answer is no. You don't need to pass FMGE to appear AMC exam. So you just need MBBS degree, which is recognized by World Directory of Medical School, which is WDOMS. Next question आता है लोगों का, do we need internship to appear AMC exam? So the answer is again no. You don't need internship certificate to appear AMC MCQ exam, but yeah, you only need internship certificate to apply paid jobs in Australia. The third question will be, do we need IELTS and OET exams to appear AMC MCQ? Answer is again no. You don't need IELTS or OET to appear AMC MCQs, but yeah, you only need IELTS OET to apply paid jobs in Australia, because obviously बात है, आप वहाँ पे काम करने जा रहे हो, इंग्लिश तो बेसिक होने चाहिए ना कि बंदे को आता है या नहीं आता. एंड आपको पता बेस्ट पार्ट क्या है AMC MCQ एग्ज़ाम्स का, दैट योर स्कोर कार्ड एंड लाइसेंस इज़ वैलिड फॉर लाइफ लॉन्ग. वंस यू पास AMC MCQ एग्ज़ाम यू कैन अप्लाई फॉर पेड जॉब्स इन ऑस्ट्रेलिया. एंड देर आर सम ऐप्स, ठीक है, AMC रिकमेंडेड ऐप्स होते हैं जैसे कि +X, MedX, ACE AMC क्वेश्चन बैंक. If you found this video helpful, so follow my channel, subscribe to my channel, Yo Bunny, and hit the like button. See you soon.